I can have everyone's after. Jake, bring all the chickens. All the chickens are after you, Jake. What the heck is up with that?
Look, there it goes again. Roll the intro. Alright guys, I hope you liked the beginning part of the video. It's like the best bits of my video. Well, I think it's the best bits of my video, or what's important part of the video. Anyways, if you liked what you saw, can you please really like, subscribe, and click the bell. It really helps my channel, especially since I'm trying to go to 1,000 subscribers this year. Every like counts, every subscription counts, and hitting the bell really tells the algorithm to pump out my videos or show them more people. It really helps out a lot. So let's get to the video, guys. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. Right? It's super early, guys. Hold on, let me check. It is... Nope, I was wrong. It's Wednesday, guys. Why did I think it was Thursday? I'm a day ahead. Anyways, guys, I'm new today, but I want to go check on Chicken Lot because the little chicken's right running around now, and I'm really worried about them. But, I don't know what that was. They shouldn't come around me because there's construction work going on next door, and Megan but the fox should be afraid of it, hopefully. I hope that's the idea. But, anyway, guys, let's get to this after we're going to take my dog for a walk and then eat breakfast. So, hi, guys, I'm back. We're going to go, and we're going to take my dog for a walk across my nice cut grass that we did over 3 days because the riding motor's broken. We had to push them everything, which is actually kind of ridiculous if you ask me. Also, we're gonna go film the little chickens because they're out and about, and they don't know what the heck to do. They spent the night with the big chickens, their first night with them, so that's probably interesting for them. It should be very interesting, and it's really hot out here today, like very humid and hot, like the sun's beating down on me. I hear shade, shade. I feel so much better in the shade. Me complaining about the sun like I get anything about it. It's hot. Good thing I cut the grass the last 3 days because it's too hot to do today. Good thing, because it's roasting me a lot today, but good thing I cut the grass before it got hot. Come on, Jake. And my mom helped too. I'm saying like I did myself, and my mom did a lot of it too. She actually probably did, well, I don't know, we're probably about even because I cut behind the barn and the bank, and the cat's going nuts. Oh. It's very, very, very hot out here, guys. Like you don't even know, and it's only like 10:30, so it's not even like the heat of the day. Heat of the day is not until like 2, 3 o'clock-ish, like after noon. Like that's when the heat of the day is, and the sun's overhead, and it's really hot. Like right now, the sun's over there because it's just like 10:30, but in a couple hours, it could be right overhead, and it could be 1 billion degrees. On Jake. There you go, check on the chickies. And I gotta check on the little chicken because I'm afraid of foxes can come in because they're just little tiny things. So that will be fun. And they're also up there where the fox is because they're too dumb to realize they have the whole yard to go to. They'll figure it out. Hopefully they'll follow the big chickens around one day, I hope. Right now they're just because they've been in a cage their whole life. Which I don't blame them. If I was in a cage my whole life and someone just leave it free, you wouldn't know what to do either, right? I can't get over how nice this is down here. I love it. Love it. It's like a little football, like a baseball field. Come on, Jake. Jake, come on. Jakey, come on. Jake, what are you doing? Kitty, don't attack the leash. Hey, Jake, you're gonna tangle him up? What are you doing, kitty? Kitty, come on, let go. Jake. Hey, kitty. What is wrong with that cat? The cats love this grass being cut. They can run and be free again. Come on, Jake. Jake, and my dog likes it because I can actually take him for a long walk around the barn. Jake, stop wanting to go in there. I don't know what. Gee, Jake, come on. Jake. Don't get involved in their cat fights. We got stuff we gotta do, Jake. Like eat breakfast and watch the little chickens. Come on. Come on, Jake. So where did they go? Jake, walk. What are they doing over here? You guys are crazy. Come on, don't mess with little chickens. They're out and about. They're going nuts. They like the tall grass because they like to eat it. They're crazy. Crazy, I tell you. Crazy. Come on. Crazy, crazy, crazy little chickens. Whew. Hopefully no foxes up here today. They shouldn't be because everything's being worked on and stuff, so they should be fine. Alright, they're making plenty of noise. Nothing should be around, I hope. Right? I'm hot. The mugginess is getting to me, guys. I can't breathe. If anybody else has asthma, is that hard for you to breathe when it's muggy? Or is that just me? Like, I know it is. But it sucks. Whew. Like, my asthma flares up when it's cold or hot. Well, not hot, but muggy. Once it's dry heat, it's fine. But when it's cold or muggy and there's a lot of moisture in there, I can't breathe. Guys, anyways, I will come back in a few minutes. So, hi guys, I'm back. I've been a busy boy. Not really that busy, but I did do something, which my mom's probably gonna get mad about, but I don't care. As you can tell, this is gone. Man, I got allergies or something. All this pollen flying around, especially like all these trees, like things. I don't know if you can see them, but they're all over the place flying around. And there's bees all over the place. Anyways, the little chickens, they're up here by themselves still. They won't come down here. They're afraid, I guess, or they just don't know they have free range yet, or whatever. So they're just staying up there, moseying around. My garden looks pretty good, except for all the weeds, but that's expected. We don't do weeds very well. Hopefully we can do weeds better next year. Next year we're going to do a plant cover crop. As soon as everything dies, we're going to dig it up, plant rye in it, and then we're going to dig up in the spring, and then at least once a week when we get there with a hoe and just hoe everything between every plant. And even if there's nothing there, at least once a week or every time it rains, and just hoe everything out once a week, and it should stop. I can't really hoe the weeds right now because of the stuff, but what are you guys doing up here all by yourself, huh? What are you guys doing, huh? Look at you all. Huh? You should come down to the house and say hi to the big chickens. Every once in a while, the big chickens will come here and say hi to them. It's pretty cool. They'll come over here and show them. Earlier, they was hiding over there because it's super hot. They're hiding over there in the bushes. Right now, they're just moseying around. They don't know what they're doing. They're trying to figure out what's going on. The kitty cat's up here too. But yeah, here's pieces of the fence. We're leaving here so we can use it for other things or whatever we want to use it for. You never know when you need a fence. But yeah. Anyway guys, I will come back in a few minutes. Hi guys, I'm back. And I was afraid. I got afraid because it's really chicken. Look.
Look at that.
How does it mean when it chases us?
This ain't mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still one missing.
Look at the cat. The cat's like, what's
8, 9, 10.
2.
Look, what the heck? Why don't they like Jake?
Jake, come on, Jake.
That thing's not even great up yet. Chicken's already after you.
Jake has issues. He's gonna get you, Jake. Oh, he's gonna get you. Jake, the cat's not there. Come on.
That's his little chick. Well, that thing's a rooster.
He acts like it.
He must be the leader.
Probably. Jake, we're going for a walk. Jake, we're... Watch him, he's gonna...
He's up to that cat.
It's not even up there. Are you the leader of this, huh?
Yeah, fuck that big chicken.
They did earlier. You should have seen him. Where are they going? Where are they going? Someone's getting pretty brave.
I'm going to beat up black chicken.
They probably will, because they're supposed to get as big as a black chicken. It will if it's a rooster. Look how it walks. It walks like a rooster. Look at it. Look at it. He struts. Are you a rooster?
It's crazy.
Are you a rooster?
I'm gonna be the first one to go in the pot.
Watch. Let's see what Jake. What is it doing?
See, the cat didn't learn the cat.
I know. Come on, let's go. I don't know what he's doing.
Piece of wood. Fight with me.
Did you say don't fight with me? Look how it walks. It even walks like a rooster.
You can't eat the wood chip. Did you feed him today?
No. It just ate it.
I'm not going to turn around and fill the chicken.
Well, they won't follow us.
Just one big chicken.
Yeah, they're probably... Did it? Chicken.
Oh, I can have everyone's out there. Judge, Brett, all the chicken. All the chickens are after you, Jake. Don't hurt the duck with that.
Look, there it goes again. Dad, we got chicken crazy. Do you see this chicken, Dad?
Oh, yeah. I mean, other chickens didn't act like that.
I don't know why that one's so... I told you they're supposed to be more mean chickens. Remember, I told you. Your cat's watching them. He's watching the cat. Kitty, don't even think about it. Kitty! Hey! Kitty! No! That chicken's like, what's going on? He's like, let's get out of here. That one might be a rooster the way it acts. Dad.
They might have a couple of little cats after him again.
What was the cat doing?
Just that cat. He was in the cage up there.
Why? They're crazy little chickens, I tell you. They're crazier than the big chickens. You hear me? They're definitely crazier than the big chickens. I told those chickens are supposed to be mean.
No more than chicken.
They're fun though.
Yeah, come on, Jake.
Jake, come on. We have a rooster, we're breeding them.
Yeah.
What do you think we'd get if we actually, like...
Huh?
Nothing.
You got a rooster and chickens be laying green eggs, I think.
What? The cat is in your potatoes. These are potatoes, right? Right? Not you. I know you're a cat.
Potatoes. I didn't plant nothing in it, Jack. I plant potatoes.
So, those are just weeds.
Yep. I gotta
Kitty.
pull them out and plant potatoes. Here's my potatoes.
Kitty cat, what are you doing?
Potatoes, look, more potatoes.
That's all you got is potatoes and
More
tomatoes.
potatoes over there.
You need variety.
Look at this, more potatoes.
You need variety.
More potatoes. I don't know why anyone came up there.
You need variety, Dad.
Potatoes.
Variety.
You gotta have survival food.
Variety.
Come on, Jake.
Yeah, you can't eat the same thing every
Yeah, you
day.
can.
No, you can't.
Potatoes and corn.
We didn't plant that much corn, actually.
Potatoes and that. I ain't planting corn yet. Before you plant.
And there's not much.
Didn't have much in there.
I know, it wasn't very many seeds.
That's what I got. Come on, Jake. Go around here.
Come on, Jake. Let's go find the little chickens again, chasing you.
Little red chicken up there by itself.
Is that that's not the little ones, is it? I can't tell. They're so big, I can't tell anymore.
Yeah, that's one of the little ones.
Yeah. Is it gonna chase Jake?
I think you want to bring the cage down here and let him go in the cage.
It's gonna chase Jake too.
Your buddies are over there. You see 'em?
No.
You don't see them?
They're gone, they left. They left. What is that cat doing? Well, they got a good bit of
Some of
time.
the big chickens are in there. Some big chickens, the little ones out.
They did not chase the little ones out. No, they didn't. Those are mine.
Got lettuce.
And mine.
There might let something come up. Should have watered it.
Those are all mine.
They come.
What are they doing? Why do you like the apple tree? Eating the apple tree again. Look.
Something different, I guess.
These chickens are crazy. Look at. I'm telling you, that one's a rooster. He acts like one.
Yeah. He's just mean. That's the breed.
That is the type of breed they are, but I don't know. They're crazy. Anyway, guys, I will come back in a few minutes. So, hi, guys, I'm back. My mom's here, right, Mom? Say hi. I'm not gonna film you, just say hi. She's over there. She doesn't film right now, but we do have a kitty cat. Guys, tonight was the first night we put the chickens away without using the cage, because I'm trying to keep them away from the cage so they don't think that's their home, because they're getting too used to it, thinking it's their home at night. So we wouldn't cut them by hand. We caught them pretty easily, except for one dumb chicken. It was a silver Wyandotte, and it went nuts. The last chicken we caught, we couldn't catch. It was going nuts. We're going to call it Roadrunner because it runs like Roadrunner. It goes crazy all over the place. Me and Mom had a heck of a time, right, Mom? Now we're up from catching it. But, anyways, guys, I will come back in a few minutes. I'm going to vlog. So, hi, guys. I'm back. Gonna vlog. Did a lot today. We let the chickens out early in the morning. I actually didn't do much because I was resting because I'm super wore out from 3 days of cutting grass and doing other kind of stuff. But, I did get wore out. I did tear down the cage I was outside, and I also caught the chicken, which is crazy, and now I'm wore out. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you guys more. Roll the outro. Whoop! Alright, guys, you made this far to the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, but if you really want to check out more, there's 2 videos here, and you can subscribe by clicking this button thing here.